Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to use screen off gestures on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on accessibility and convenience. From here, you will find the option of gestures and motion. Just tap on it, then tap on screen off gestures. Now just enable this toggle to enable screen off gestures on your Oppo phone. And once you do that, you will find all the screen off gestures on your Oppo phone. First of all, you have the option to double tap to turn on and off your Oppo phone. Just like that. After that, you have the option to draw an O shape to open the camera app. Also, you have the option to draw a V shape to turn on the torch or to turn it off. Just like that. After that, you will find the option to draw two lines on the screen for music controls. And beneath that, you have a few other options. Now you can draw an upward arrow to launch the calculator, or you can change it to any other app. Just tap on it, then tap on Open an app. And from this list, just select the app which you want to open by drawing an upward arrow, just like that. And the same goes by drawing an M shape or a W shape. And this is how you can use screen off gestures on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.